So if you're looking to buy into a commercial property that is in a well-developed environment, and also you'll be able to pay instrumentally, I strongly suggest you watch this video to the very end. Hi, my name is Chuka from Terraholmesproperties, and I'm a realtor right here in Lagos, Nigeria. And if you're new to my channel, I mean this is your first time coming across my video, please do well to like, subscribe, and share this video, and click on the bell icon so you won't miss out on any of our video in the future. So today I'm here to introduce you to Ojaja Mall. This property is located right here in Lagos, Nigeria, off Ogombo Road, very close to Adesanya roundabout, and this property is in a strategic location. This property is covered with a CFO as the title, and it's in a strategic location. This Ojaja Mall already is facing the Lekki Scheme 2. What this means is you have a lot of footfalls for your businesses, and also not too far from here they have a lot of recreational facilities, recreational centers. We have the beach, we have health facility, we have the mother and child, and we have many estates around this vicinity. So stick to this video to the very end, and I'm very sure you'll be glad that you watch this video to the end. In a short while, I'm going to flip this camera and show you this property in details. I'll show you the level of infrastructure we have here. I'll show you everything you need to know about this property. Please stay tuned to this channel.
Once again, so like I said earlier, Ojaja Mall is a commercial property situated right here in Ogombo Road, very close to the popular Adesanya estate and facing the Lekki Scheme 2. Now, why should you buy into this mall, or what would be your motivation to invest in this mall? I can give you a couple of reasons why you should invest and definitely make money. Number one, the positioning of this mall. It is well positioned and strategic. Number two, it is the only mall in this axis. Yes, there are shops and there are supermarkets, but there are no malls around. The closest mall are the Sky Mall and Novari Mall, and they are 15 to 20 minutes drive away from here respectively. Number three, the visibility. There will be a spa, a cinema, and a gym right here in the mall, and people will no longer need to go to Sky Mall or Novari Mall. The market has been brought closer to them, and also due to the fact that this Ogombo Road you are seeing that is on this video is where the mall is situated, leads to many beaches and resorts. Now, there will be a major footfall of people visiting these fun places, hence the visibility. So let me take you in so you see the interior.
So this is inside the mall. This one is already sold out, so I just needed to show you inside the interior and what the shop sizes is going to look like, and so you have an idea how the mall, inside of the mall, the interior of the mall looks like. So this is the central aisle, this is the central entrance, and this right here is a section. The way they built this mall is every shop is connected. Upstairs we're going to have our cinema, and downstairs we have our various shops, and there's going to be a lift that will take you to your shop. So whatever your shop is, there's a guarantee that you can access it. Like there's traffic, there's visibility, there are you can access your shop. So it's going to guarantee you maximum visibility. So let's go over to this side. This is the interior. These are the shops. So let's go over to this place. So you see the different shop sizes we have right here. So this is our shops. This is the different shop size. Right here we can have our salon. We also have a pharmacy shop here. So different businesses you can think of. So owning a shop right here, there are a lot of activities in this place. So a lot of small businesses and entrepreneurs are going to need shops they can do their business in, and they're going to need offices where they can do their businesses. So I'm not going to really waste much time inside because all these are all sold out, but I just needed to show you the interior so you have a feel of how it is. So let's go over to the extension. So you see extension, that's where it's currently selling at the moment. So mind you, the title that is covering this property is a C of O and is facing a major O. So let's walk down to our extension, first extension. So we have different shop sizes here. We have 18 square meters, 19 square meters, but I'm going to drop the different shop size right here on the screen, so you're going to see. So we have a shop space, we have lounge, we have game center, we have cinema, we have retail firms, parking lot, we have restaurant, we have many more, a lot of businesses which you can conduct on these premises. So let me show you a 3D representation of this Ojaja mall. So this is the 3D representation of Ojaja mall. As you can see, this is the main entrance. This one is the main entrance where I just came out from, and this right here is extension 1. This is it, and this right here is extension 2. It's the other way round, and this is your building is short let, though it's not for sale. It's being managed by the company. So right underneath this place, we're going to have a swimming pool. We have some shops right here. Then we have massive car park. So let me take you round back. So this is the hotel we are building. This is our hotel. So we're going to have a swimming pool right here. So let's go over to our extension 1. Go over to our extension 1. So this is the first extension from the ground floor. We are at the first floor. So it's going to have 2 floors, the ground floor and the first floor. So look at the foundation level of this property. We don't want to compromise quality. Look at the level of the foundation right here. So this is where we are right now. So this mall is going to be servicing, there are a lot of estates around this place. We have Adesanya estate, we have Inoyo Haven estate, we have Lekki Scheme 2 estate. So, and they don't have anything like mall around this place. So if you invest in this commercial property, you're sure to make your money. In case you're wondering if you want to sublet this property, is I mean, it's a good one. It's a good one if you ask me. And down that road, it leads to a major beach around this vicinity. You know, some of them you must have been hearing about them. You know, so a lot of people goes down to this beach and to go and unwind. So once they pass, they're going to see this place and see what's happening, right? So see, this is the level. We have the likes of Barracuda Beach, White Deck, Atikan Beach, and the likes of them. So let me walk down. This is extension. Walk down to back. Street light. Very spacious, enough car park. Wow, massive, spacious. So this is it. So this is the extension 2. We're still at the foundation level. So even as it is, a lot of clients have actually subscribed to this extension, so even at the foundation level. So it's just a few units remaining, and I want you to hurriedly call the number that is showing on your screen. So we could close this deal for you, still on the foundation level. As you can see, it's just few units that is available right here. And I heard from the manager. The manager just notified me a while ago that there's going to be a price increase. So I really need you to call the number so you can schedule for an inspection, and then let's close this deal, because you really need this property, because it's well positioned, and it's going to guarantee a massive return on investment. Going to guarantee a massive return on investment. So let's have a look. It's in a well habitable environment, surrounded by various estates. So if you're investing in this property, you're doing the right thing. You're really making a smart move investing in this. So call the number on your screen and let me bring you here for inspection. I remember my name remains Chuka from Terraholmesproperties. Thank you and God bless.